What's up, everybody? Chris here with Klingspor's Woodworking Shop. I am in the Hickory location, and as far as I know, they're the only ones with a automotive section. You heard that right, automotive section. So if you've got automotive needs, let's say you're sanding it down, you're putting in body filler, you're painting it back up, or something along those lines, guess what? We carry a full line of the Klingspor auto body products. We got some things over here in our sheets, the different some epoxy options, safety part products like gloves and things like that. Well, let's just take you down this aisle and let you see some of the other products that we might have for you. So, of course, I mentioned body filler. Well, guess what? We are a full supplier here of a variety of the different body fillers, the Clean Gold body filler from Klingspor. We have the filler and the hardener all ready to go. We also have it in have primer options, as well as a variety of different other products. And we can get you the paints as well, I believe, should you need them. But in the meantime, we have a full supply of all of your different components that you might need in the auto body line. If you're masking, painting, touching up the trim or the A panels, I mean, whatever you got going on, we have got the tape as well, the thin tapes for taping off, buffing products, the full line again of the Klingspor auto body products here at Klingspor's Woodworking Shop. And we've got a couple of the cool little sheet sanders here, and I don't know if you can see, let me get this panned around. We have the wooden handle option here, long flat file board, as well as the hook and loop option. If you're looking to use hook and loop rolls and cut them in length, we've got the hook and loop option as well as the PSA option in the file boards here. And we've got the papers down below. We've also got a full line of the plastics. Now this would come in handy whether you're into auto body or not. The masking plastic is very handy and helpful in traditional woodworking shops as well. So, but that's not all. If you're looking to cut, grind, or shape metal after you've done your repairs, we've got a full line of the Klingspor cutoff wheels, the small little mini cutoff wheels, as well as the larger cutoff wheels, and then we've got the flap discs as well. So everything you would need to shape, sand, weld, or make your own car, we've got you covered at Klingspor's Woodworking Shop in the auto body section. Full line of all things, all kind of options to help you in your automotive needs in your shop. Klingspor's Woodworking Shop out here in the Hickory store. And you might be asking yourself, well, is this same auto body section available in Winston, Cary, or Asheville? No, it's not. But maybe reach out to that store and say, hey, I'd like to see the automotive section put in my store so that you can go visit that. Otherwise, you can give us a call here in the Hickory location. We'll be happy to send it to those other stores, anything you might need. Well, this is Chris with Klingspor's Woodworking Shop, and welcome to Coffee and Grit, where you're hopefully sipped all your coffee by now, and I've given you all the nitty-gritty of all the things in the automotive section of Klingspor's Woodworking Shop.
Today's presentation of Coffee and Grit is brought to you by Woodworker Joe Whole Bean Coffee, a perfect blend of light, medium, and dark roast, roasted and packaged right here in North Carolina, exclusively at woodworkingshop.com.
If there's a product you'd like featured on Coffee and Grit, let us know at 800-228-0000 or email us at tech@woodworkingshop.com.